Hey YouTubers, this is Mopar Man 1978. I'm out here at the Springfield, Missouri Mid-America Street Rod Nationals. We just got in the gate, so I figured I'd start off by displaying this vehicle, an AMX Javelin. Got a nice duster. One of the local Mopar guys in Springfield I know.
Good stuff going on once we get the car safety. Auto financials are right now going on. Stop by and check out the board here. We've been calling the number already. Here's a big prize winner. Over $50,000 prizes. That's not the cash on.
Nice looking Roadrunner. Nice rat rods and custom street rods. Here's a nice old Starliner Ford. Real nice interior. I like these low back fins. Here's a real nice Dodge Charger. Real nice leather interior, custom dash. Here's a nice old customized station wagon. I don't know about some of the ghetto rims and baloney skin tires on some of these vehicles. Some of them look okay, some look pretty cheesy. Folks, this is a nice old customized Studebaker. What year is this, sir?
It looks like a 50, but it's actually titled as a 48. We said 50 fit or something.
Okay, cool.
Donovan's Rock and Road Show. I want to thank you for being here. And, I'll tell you what, time for a little giveaway.
Nice leather interior, customized dash.
Somebody to bring me a 5/8 socket.
502 big block.
5/8 socket. 5/8 socket. I'll give it back to you. I'm not going to pick it or anything like that. But if you break
Love those bullet nose.
Elvis gift for you. It's a switch plate for your garage. So a 5/8 American-made socket, and I will hook you up with the clean. First person to do so. Get off the road show there.
Good. Nice old Buick. Nice old Mercury here. Imperial. Nice suicide doors. There's another Studebaker Commodore, bullet nose, rat rodish, pretty cool looking. Another nice Dodge Charger, looks like a 68.
Next day I got me an engine and a drum, then I got me a transmission and all the pros. The little things I could get in my big lunchbox like nuts and bolts and all four shocks.
Real nice restored interior.
Now up to now my plan went all right till we tried to put it all together one night, and that's when we noticed that something was definitely wrong. The transmission was a 53 and the motor turned out to be a 73, and when we tried to put in the bolts, all the holes were gone.
Another GTX. Four-speed on the floor. Cool old Jeep pickup wheelies. Nice old mid-50s Ford rat rod. Here's one of the local Mopar guys that I know. He lives in Willard, Missouri, which is a few miles up the road from Springfield. Terry Burrows. This is his Mopar rat rod wrecker. Got the old Hemi engine in it, and pretty cool. Built it all himself out of spare parts. Little story on this: he actually found this old school boom down in the hills of Arkansas amongst a big pile of weeds. Brought it back, got it all cleaned up the best he could. And something else that people don't know, it was missing the roof, so he had an old 65 Dodge Dart hood that he converted into the roof for the rat rod wrecker here.